First of all, we're going to cream the cream cheese with the sugar. Here I'm using brown sugar because I'm making a brown sugar burnt cheesecake. However, if you guys like to use white caster sugar, you can go on and use that. The result will be the same as well. So here I'm using a wooden spoon to make everything easier because I already bring out cream cheese earlier so that it's not that hard. But by all means, you can use a sanding mixture as well. It make life even easier. So we're going to cream this till everything is dissolved and into a smooth texture. A bit more sugar. Let's cream it. And after creaming, this is the texture that we are looking for. And after that, we will add the eggs one by one. Slowly mix till everything is mixed. Make sure you scrape the spoon as well. And keep mixing. After that, and everything is mixed properly, add the next portion of the egg. Keep doing this till all the eggs are well mixed. This is the last one. Make sure that all the eggs are combined properly. Then next we are going to scrape the spoon, and because we are changing to a whisk so that we can mix everything better. And after that, we are going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence for the flavoring. And continue to mix it, but make sure that not to overmix. Next we are going to add the full cream in. Mix to combine. And next we are going to mix the lemon juice for some tangy flavor to balance up the richness of the cake. Okay, next we are going to line 6" of baking mold with some parchment paper and pour all the mixture in. Okay. And even it out so that it will be nicer when you bake it. Okay, next, we are going to throw this in the oven. Make sure the oven is set at 200 degrees Celsius. We are going to bake this at for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes has ended and our cake looks awesome. And when you bring it out, make sure that the cake is still wobbly and jiggly. So to show that the inside is still gooey. And guys, this is the cake, the result of my cake. Um, we are going to cut it right now, but make sure that you rest it for at least a day in the chiller to set it off first. Then the next day, you are able to cut the cake. And as you can see, it's gooey in the middle and it looks super delicious.